Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my turkey fan mount from the turkey I shot in this video, upper corner there. So I got my turkey fan, my beard, my mount, hammer, and there's some tacks that go in the back of the mount. This came from Taxidermist Woodshop from Texas. I mean, not much to it, just a little, I think it was walnut, maple, I don't remember which one. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Wall hanger, everything already on there. So what I've done is I've had my turkey fan and beard in salt and borax for, let's see, it's August. So it was like mid-May when I shot my turkey. So mid-May, June, July, August, about 3 months now. Just gonna put that underneath. So it's hard. That's how my turkey fan's gonna be. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna do the turkey fan into the slot. My feathers worked fairly well. I think he's missing this turkey, like right here there was a tail feather fan. So I know he's missing a couple fan feathers. So it's not the best fan, but it's the turkey I shot and it's what's going to happen. So in the instructions it just says to put the turkey fan in the holder as such. Now I've actually got a few nails that actually came with the mount that I'm going to nail one in each side of the turkey fan just to hold it down. So we're going to do that here. There we go. That's just going to hold my fan in place. Ain't going to wiggle around. Now next thing I'm going to do, now unfortunately my beard dried up a little bit with a curve in it. That's alright. So you just put it in the little beard slot right there, down at the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take a little nail. Right in the middle. And we'll clean it off a bit. And there you have it. That will be my turkey mount from my turkey I shot this year. I'll go with my other turkey mount that I have from Wisconsin, which is a bit better, but still. Alright, so these are my two turkey fans that I have had mounted. I did them both on my own. The one on the left is my West Virginia turkey that I shot this year. As you can see, the fan is a bit smaller. Feathers are definitely not as large. A little bit different color. These inner feathers here, not nearly as uniform in size and color as my Wisconsin turkey. The Wisconsin turkey was also probably about 3 to 4 pounds heavier, which makes me think this guy was 3-4 years old when I shot him. This one was probably 2, but this one has a skinnier beard. This one turned out to be 9 inches, and this one was 10 on the dot. So beard lengths aren't all that much different, but you just see this one has a full fan. And all these feathers are all the same, whereas this turkey had a few feathers fall out, especially that tail feather right there. And all these inner feathers are all different sizes, all different colors. As you can see, some are nice shiny, some are dull. Just goes to show you both eastern turkeys, but you are going to have some variance in turkey species where wherever you live. This one was shot in an area in Wisconsin that was a lot of farming. A lot of corn, a lot of soybeans. This one was shot in an area of West Virginia where there is no farming, which is pretty much all of West Virginia, but this one was shot on top of a mountain, basically living off the land. This one was shot in an agricultural field. Much different. Alright, like, share, subscribe, and hopefully pretty soon start hunting season. 10 days away is the opener for early goose, so we'll try to get out some for that and get out fishing some more. We had that hurricane come through, and all the rivers around here are just mud. So, alright, have a good one.